warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome. Today we are going to see and check this lesson. Today is Unit 3, Part 2, and the lesson is functions. Inshallah, we are going to use the student book A3 2023. Open your books right now at page 22. We are going, inshallah, to check the work page 58. Let's open your books at page 22, 23. Going to cover in this and is listen to functions. We have the following things. A, we're going to say what things do. What are the things that we will describe after product. We're also going to talk about people jobs. People jobs. For the point we have the present simple. Things like this. What does this handle do? What does handle do? Or what do you work? Well, you work. And also we are going to learn these verbs. They like mirror, break, cut, and we will learn everyday tools such torch, allow. And for third part, here we have operation, just works, line operator, a technician, etc. So in your books right now at page 23, we will start our lesson. Our day is functions. Now here, how many pictures do we have? Now we have in the first question. The first question says match those with the pictures. So we're going to match one with A, B, C, or D, which is these are picture. Now when you see in this picture, one in A, look at picture A, look at picture B, look at picture C, and at picture D. What are these pictures? Now here the title electrical power sources. The all sources for power for electricity. So no one make electricity plus electricity. Now second solar power. Solar power. Number three, dynamo. Dynamo. No batteries. So what are the names for these pictures? A, B, C, and D. So tend to think about the answers. Now one. One is B. B. Number B. Number is number C. Number is A. A are the is the electricity plus the AC adapter. So electricity plus the AC adapter. That is B. Now at C, this is the solar panel. The solar panel. We have the dynamo. Are all sources of power. Power to the same exercise. And exercise, it says, nail the photos of the emergency radio below with words in the box. We will use words alarm, clock, compass, handle, sitter, and torch. We will take these words and we will label the photo of solar, the solar radio. So these gaps here have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 7. What part in this solar radio? So gaps are and take to alarm, antenna, clock, compass, handle, meter, and torch. Put them in the gaps below this picture. We are in here and the picture below. Try to give the answers and fill in the blanks for the solar radio in this picture. Use the words above. Use above. Now you 20 that. Now check your answers. So the answers for the part of this disolar radio. Number is the clock. Number is the antenna. Number torch is the thermometer. Thermometer. Number is the handle. Number is the compass. Number is the alarm. So these are the parts of the disolar radio. You have a minute to check your answer and run down. Now exercise 3. And repeat. And repeat. How, how, say, say, talk, uh, uh, clock, com, com. Now to the next exercise, but before we go on, we have to check these two words in the gray box. We have the word internal, that is external. Internal, that is external. The opposite is external. Internal, external. They are opposites. Let's move to the exercise number 4. Okay, see that's it for the little internet website for the solar radio. Now the features. It has a radio, a meter, a compass, a a and a. Now the power sources, it is electricity or sources of power. Number adapter, this means electricity to radio. Again, an AC adapter connects electricity supply to radio. Now, external double A batteries. External double A batteries. 3. This the green into electricity and charges an internal battery. We've learned that this before. Number 4, dynamo generator fills the dynamo. The dynamo produces electricity and the internal battery in a new generator that fills the dynamo. The dynamo produces electricity and charges the internal battery. So we have 4 sources for power and interconnected to electricity. Number 2, we have batteries. Number 3, we have a solar panel. Number we have a dynamo generator. Let's move to the next exercise. Instead, explain the functions of these parts. The adapter. What is the A adapter, or what does the A adapter do? What is the adapter do? Now, the adapter, as mentioned here, the A adapter, this connects the electricity supply to the radio. Now, what does the handle do? What the handle do? The for handle takes the dynamo. Number 3 here, what is the function of the dynamo? What function of the dynamo? That uses electricity and is the internal battery. Now, what function of the solar panel? That's the solar panel. What the solar panel do. Now panel changes, this changes the sun's energy into electricity and is an internal battery. Now your answers. And you can see the answers for these functions. The A adapter, that is number one. This contains electricity supply to radio. This is number one. Now handle, the handle here, number two. The handle tells the dynamo. Number three, the dynamo here, the dynamo produces electricity and charges the internal battery. Number four, the solar. This changes the sun's energy into electricity, charges an internal battery. Thank you. Move to the next exercise. Now 6. Match the parts with their function. With the parts, the parts in the pair count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thermometer, compass, torch, alarm, signal, handle, and antenna. Next, the parts with the functions. The functions are the functions of these parts. For the thermometer, the thermometer measures temperature. Measures temperature. Now, does a compass do? Shine, make electricity, send the dynamo, tell time, find north, receive signals, make a loud noise. Have to choose the right answer for the torch. The torch shines light. Make it tell dynamo, tell time, north, receive radio signals, temperature, or make a loud noise. Now we have 2 minutes to answer the question. Share your answers. So what are the answers for the question? Now we will make sentences out of numbers. Make sentences more from the parts and the functions and 6. Number 1 is done. The theta measures, so we had S to the verb. So thermometer measures temperature. Now make sentences like this one. compass, what does it do? Well, where does it go? It goes A. So we say the compass finds north 3. What does a torch do? The torch shines light. Shines light. Now the clock do. The time. The clock tells the time. Now, what's the function of the alarm? Alarm or alarm may loud noise. Loud noise. That is the function of number 6, solar panel. What does a solar panel do? The solar the electricity. Electricity. Now, what does the handle do? The handle dynamo. The dynamo. The function of the antenna. What does the antenna do? The antenna receives radio signals. The antenna receives radio signals. So we answer the seventh question, question number 7, when we make these sentences. Okay, here we have these which the sounds like thermometer take give to the verb. Okay, we can say thermometer measures, compass fine. So singular nouns we usually add s to the verb. Now we go. Now or the simple tense. It it singular the verb measure we add s to the verb. So all these above we add s to the verb to make a sentence. It measures. Now take a question because we have an s, we will put at the beginning and we will out or cancel the s. And we will put the question mark. So it will be, does it measure temperature? Does it measure temperature? Answer will be yes, it does or no, it doesn't. Sentences. Okay. Now here it does not measure speed. The theater doesn't measure speed. So it doesn't measure speed. So and regarding the present simple tense. And inshallah we are going to explain it in the lesson. Move to the exercise. Okay, as working pairs make questions and answers using the words from 6. Does the thermometer measure time? Doesn't. It measures temperature. And make sentences like this. Does the torch no, it doesn't. It shines. It shines light. And more examples like this. You and your Now, to exercise number 9, we have 5 pictures and picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, and picture number 5. Now, to 5 pairs. Cut the grip, loop, tie. Now, which part goes with the picture? Cut. What is it? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, or number 5? Seconds to do that. To choose the words for the right picture. Now, for the picture is number 4. Then cutting the wood. Now, 5 N is number 5. So the man drives in a nail. Drives in a nail with a hammer. Now, where is number 3? The man grabbing his hand. Grip. Now, number 2, loser. Number 2, the man is losing the man his belt. Now, tighten plus 1 is 1. So here is tight belt. Tighten number 1, loose, number grip, number 5. Exercise 10, we have words and we have functions. What does a spanner do? Grips, drives in, or tightens. So, a spanner is number 1. And loosens, with tighten and loosens. It tightens and loosens nuts and bolts. Nuts and bolts. So we are going to have one here also. So making a sentence. A spanner and loosens nuts and bolts. Now do that again. What do players do? Player cuts, player grips, or drives in, or and loses. So players number 2, and also number 2. And what do players grip? The players grip ball wire. Ball and wire. Now we are making sentences out of this table. Players ball and wire. Now screwdriver is number 3. Screwdriver 2. Driver cuts, grips, done, titans and losers. Okay, driver and losers. So sentence for three. Driver, titans and losers, screws. Number four. What a chisel do? Number four, a chisel cut that for wood. Wood. Now, do scissors do? Scissors will be number five. Scissors. What do you do? Cut, drill, and tightens and loosens. Similarly, so also put number five here. Cut. Scissors cut. What do usually scissors do? Or cut. They usually cut and string. Paper and string. So five. Now, SU. Now, what SU do? This will be number six. Now, what SU do? SU. So we'll put here also number six. So SU cuts. What usually SUs cut? SU cuts metal. Wood. Never. What else do? Dry and nail. See sentences for the box. As far as nuts, they are grapes. Scissors cut. Wood and dry nails. And this is the answer for question number 10. Now, number 11, we have some examples for the functions and data that we can have إن شاء الله later. بعض أسامي الوظائف إن شاء الله المستقبلية لكم. We have main technologist, operator, automation engineer, architect. So we are all technical for time being. So thank you for listening in here. Now we move to the exercise book. So open your books at page 15. The work 15. Now page question 1 in here. We have the parts and the tools that we have come through, but they are torn. So going to attach these pieces of paper together to get the name of the part. For example, now here, look at the one. look at the first one. Now look at example. Battery. Battery. So now we have one word. Battery. Now you hear electricity. Electricity. So number two. Now here temperature. So this goes with this. Okay. Now number four is the word hand. When taken for that, hello. Hello. Now you can also do the rest. You can do the rest of the word. For example, generate, what completion? Dynamo. Oops. Okay. Dynamo. Thermo. Okay. These all words that you can find in your book, and you can put these words together. Now, check the second question. In here below. Now, in the second question, here we have the points and the parts. It takes electricity. What electricity is data? Data. Now it says this shows north. What is the thing that can show you true north? Here write compass. Now source electricity. What source electricity? Battery. And changes AC to DC. Changes AC to DC is the AC adapter. Now the radio signal. The thing that receives radio signal. And now our panel changes sunlight into electricity. And you can measure in Celsius. What can you measure in Fahrenheit and Celsius? The temperature. Now you turn this around with your hand. What you turn your turns with your hand handle. This is temperature. What is temperature? Number 9. What is temperature? The thermometer. So you can answer this question and this. Now to the next. Use the verbs from the box to complete the text. Listen, tells, produce. This is radio, and this is a description for radio. On a holiday, the 3-in-1 radio and battery. Picture is for you. We here in number 1, we turn the handle, it turns the dynamo. This charges the battery. You then the torch or listen to the radio for 5 minutes at 100 revolution a minute. Charges enough power to produce. And number 6, produces enough power to listen to the video for 20 minutes. You also turn the handle to charge your mobile listening, and inshallah, we'll see you inshallah next time. Thank you.